So one of the common verses or chapters sa Bible is Psalm 23, and it states, "The Lord is my shepherd." And alam natin na common yan, pero most of the time, hindi natin masyadong nare-reflect kung ano ba talaga yung meaning ng "The Lord is my shepherd." So allow me na magkaroon tayo ng 3-day na reflection dito sa chapter na to. So taas ang kamay sa mga overthinker just like me. So madalas kasi we think that we can figure everything out by ourselves. Pero sa first verse pa lang ng Psalm 23, nandun na yung "The Lord is my shepherd." Kaya kung pakakaisipin natin, there is already someone who can lead us sa buhay natin. All we have to do is trust Him completely and follow His leading. At hindi natin kailangan mag-overthink. At hindi natin kailangan i-carry mga bagay-bagay sa buhay natin ng mag-isa. And we have to follow His leading kahit madalas hindi natin naiintindihan yung mga nangyayari sa ngayon. But of course, there will come a time na magigets din natin kung bakit nilid niya tayo sa way na yon or sa path na yon, because God is in the details. At ang shepherd, hindi lang nag-lead ng mga sheep niya, He also knows us by name, so kilala niya tayo isa-isa. He also protects us sa lahat ng mga evil o sa lahat ng mga kapahamakan, and He also feeds us. Laging nandiyan siya to provide for our needs, at higit sa lahat, He will never abandon us. So if the Lord is your shepherd, you don't have to fear the future. You can just trust His leading. At kung na-encourage ka sa message na to, see you tomorrow for part 2. God bless you!